Hello friends, welcome back to my Apok YouTube channel. Hopes you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that how to make partition without Windows installation. Actually, sometimes we got some hard disks. There is no extra drive except C drive of that computer. On that case, you need to make partition to create new drive. So easily you can create extra 2 or 3 new drive or what you like. Another thing is that sometimes you need to extend space of C drive. So in this video, you will get the solution of how to extend space of C drive. So friends, totally I'll show here 2 solutions. How to make partition of hard disks without Windows installation and how to extend the space of C drive. So friends, if you want to know the settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe now, and I'm coming to you after intro, my friends. So for first steps, you have to go in Windows dialog box, then you have to write computer management. This one, my friend, you have to click on it. Then you have to click on disk management. After that, see my friend, here is system reset, right? 50 megabyte, and here C drive 297.54 gigabyte, right? And here 505 megabyte for healthy recovery, right? So I'll make partition of C drive. So to make partition, you have to right click of your mouse on it, then you have to click on shrink volume. You have to wait few seconds. Then here you'll find it available space for shrink in megabyte, right? So here is 2,85,381 megabyte available space to shrink, right? So I'll make here one drive of 100 GB. So for this I have to calculate 100 GB equal how many megabyte. So 100 multiply 1024 equal 1,02,400 megabyte. So I have to type here 1,02,400 megabyte. After entering the amount of shrink in megabyte, this megabyte is available to shrink now, right? After that I have to click on shrink, then I have to wait few seconds. See my friend, here one drive of 100 GB has been created, right? This one, my friend. The work is not finished yet, my friend. After that you have to select this one, then you have to click right button of your mouse, then you have to click new simple volume. After that you have to click on next, again you have to click on next, and my friend here assign the following driver later. If you want, like before I have shown you that there was C drive, right? From C drive I tried to make another drive, right? That's why there is a following letter D. If you want to change this one, you can change from here. So I don't want to change, so I want to keep this one D. After that I have to click on next. Then if you want to change the driver name, you can change from here, my friend. If I click on next, the name of the driver will be new volume, but I want to change the name. I want to type the name data, D-A-T-A. So after typing the driver name, you have to click on next, then you have to click on finish. You have to wait few seconds and see my friend, here has been created a drive, right? 100 GB. Now I can go in this PC to check. See my friend, here is a drive of 100 GB and the name of this driver is data, right? And friends, still in C drive, here is 178 GB. If you want to make another drive, you can make. For this you have to go in same option. Here my friend, computer management, then disk management, then you have to click on C drive. So friends, if you want to make another new drive, you can create from here, same like before. Friends, now I'll show you that how to extend C drive. Friends, for this you have to transfer data of the drive. In which drive you want to extend in C drive. Like this, my friend. Like I want to extend C drive with this drive, my friend. if you have any data, so you have to transfer in other drive. If you don't transfer your data, all the data will be erased, my friend. So close this one. Go in computer management, then disk management. Now I want to extend C drive, my friend. Friends, for this you have to select the drive, which one you want to delete or format, whatever you say. So I want to delete this drive to extend C drive. For this you have to select this one and you have to click right button of your mouse. Then you have to click delete volume, not format, my friend. So click on delete volume. Then you have to click on yes. Now it became free space, right? Again you have to select this one, then you have to click right button. Then you have to click delete partition and you have to click on yes. Now it is unallocated, right? Now you have to select the C drive, which one you want to extend. So you have to click right button of the mouse. Then you have to click on extend volume. Now you have to click on next. Again you have to click on next. Then you have to click on finish. See, my friend, all the drive includes here, right? Now I can go in this PC to check. So close this drive. See, my friend, now only one drive, right? And it is 278 gigabyte. So my friend, C drive has been extended, right? So friends, like this you can make partition of your hard disk. It could be new hard disk without install of Windows. And if you want to extend your C drive, also you can do it, my friend. Friends, still if you have any question about partition without Windows installation or extend space of C drive, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my friend. Take care.